Welcome to Fulwari Education. Chapter 15. Abraham Lincoln and Karl Marx. Get Set Go. Famous quotes by No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. Character is like a tree and reputation like a shadow. The shadow is what we think of it, the tree is the real thing. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. By Abraham Lincoln. History repeats itself, first as tragedy, second as force. Men make their own history, but they do not make it as they please. By Abraham Lincoln. The meaning of peace is the absence of opposition to socialism. Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was one of the most famous presidents of America. He was born in the United States of America in 1809. His childhood was full of difficulties. He got the progress by his own hard work. He paved the path of success himself. In those days, the human beings, men and women, were sold and purchased in a large number in America. The purchasers of the men and women used them as the animals in their jobs very cruelly. They treated these persons as the animals. It was the curse to the humanity. These people were called slaves. These slaves were forced to lead a miserable life. Abraham Lincoln was one who became famous as he succeeded in ending the system of slavery in America and also for uniting the various states of America. In those days, there was a great problem of slavery. Lincoln was drawn towards politics. During this period, the southern states were flourishing with agriculture. The black workers worked in large numbers in farms owned by the whites. They had been brought here to work in the farms owned by the whites. The problem was that these blacks were being treated as slaves. The people living in the northern states opposed this in human practice. As the Constitution of America was based on the equality of man, this troubled many people living there. At the age of 25, Lincoln became the member of the legislature of Illinois State. It was the beginning of his political life. He became much and more popular politician. He was famous for his honesty and kindness. He was elected as the President of United States of America in 1861. He had to face many severe difficulties as he was elected the president. Slavery was the main occupation in America while Lincoln was against it. Then Lincoln stated that slavery was against the Constitution of America and curse to humanity, as the Constitution granted equal rights to all men. The whites did not want to end the system of slavery because they had a large number of blacks who worked in their farms. On this issue of slavery, a civil war broke out in America in 1861. Almost 8 lakhs of people died in this war. Soon after the Civil War broke out in 1862, Abraham Lincoln declared that from that time onwards slaves would be free. The war ended with the victory of the northern states, and in 1863, slavery was ended from America. Abraham Lincoln became very popular among the people of America. He also became successful to unite the North and the South as one country, called the United States of America, and he was elected the President of USA for the second time in 1865. But unfortunately, he was shot dead in 1865 by a man named John Wilkes Booth when he was watching a play in a theater with his wife. Though Abraham Lincoln is not present in the world, but he is present in the hearts of the people of the world. He has become immortal in the history of the world. Karl Marx, a great revolutionary, thinker and a great writer, was born in 1818 in Germany. He is famous by the name Karl Marx in the history of the world. In the 19th century, while the Industrial Revolution started in Britain and spread to other European countries, produced disparity between the rich and the poor. The labor worked in the industries and got a few laborship. In this way, the rich people had been rich to richest and poor had been poor to poorest. This condition produced a new rich and prosperous class called capitalists. These capitalists exploited the workers by giving them less wages for more work. Karl Marx could not bear it and he opposed the capitalists very strongly. He said that there should be public ownership in the factories and the profits should be divided equally among all the workers. He advocated that there should be no private ownership and every means of production should be socially owned. This concept was known as socialism. Karl Marx wrote a book Communist Manifesto along with his colleague Friedrich Engels. He wrote another book Das Kapital. He supported his thoughts of communism very strongly. The industrialists and the capitalists were opposed to Karl Marx's ideas and theory. They became his enemies. So, Karl Marx had to flee from Germany to England and saved his life, but he continued writing in the newspapers in England too. He died in England in 1833, but he gave a new revolutionary concept to the world known as Marxism. He has become immortal in the history of the world. He will be remembered for his faith in equality of human beings. Vladimir Lenin. Vladimir Lenin followed the ideas of Karl Marx and he led a communist revolution in Russia. In those days, Russia was ruled by the Tsars. Tsars were very cruel. They ill-treated the people. People of Russia were very against the Tsars. Consequently, in 1917, a revolution broke out in Russia. The Tsars were assassinated and a communist government was formed in Russia under the leadership of Lenin. Communism soon spread to many other countries. Recall: Abraham Lincoln was born in USA in 1809. Karl Marx was born in Germany in 1818. Lincoln was shot dead in 1865 by a man named John Wilkes Booth. Lincoln was elected the President of America in 1861. Karl Marx wrote the books Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital.
Like, share, and subscribe.